Alright, so I received my first viewer request yesterday asking me to demonstrate the SUMIF and SUMIFS function. Essentially, SUMIF sums a range based on a single condition or criteria, while the SUMIFS function sums a range based on multiple conditions or criteria. So I have this sales data here, and let's say I want to get the total revenue for the East region. Since there's only one condition, I need to use the SUMIF function. And you can see that the arguments are range, criteria, and sum range. And so range is the range of cells you want evaluated based on the condition, which is, in my case, F2 through F91. And the criteria or condition is the East region. And the sum range is the range of cells to be summed, which is E2 through E91. And so that's the total revenue for the East region. So if I want to add another condition to it, like a date range, then I need to use the SUMIFS function. And the only real difference in the syntax is that the sum range, which is the actual range to be summed, is the first argument in the function, which again is E2 through E91. And the first criteria condition is that I want the revenue based on the East region. So the criteria range is F2 through F91, and the criteria again is East. So now I'd like to only sum the revenues that fall between the join dates of 1/1/2011 and 1/31/2011. So I'll set the range to B2 to B91. And then for the condition, I'm going to use the Boolean operator greater than or equal to, surrounded in quotes. And then for the date, I can either reference a cell or type the date in. And I like to do the former as it's easy to change the condition later on. So I'm going to go ahead and reference cell, looks like J9, and an ampersand goes before the date or reference cell. So finally I'll do the same for the ending date. So B2, B91, criteria this time is going to be less than or equal to. Go up here, and it's K9. Push OK, and there we go. So now if I want to change the date range, I can just alter the date cells. So I can just change K9 to, say, 215. And the total changes. Alright, I hope that makes sense, and thanks for watching.